Most Amazon beginners lose money not because they pick the wrong niche, but because they never validate their product before buying inventory. In this episode, I will show you a simple method to confirm if your product will actually sell before you spend $1 on suppliers. Welcome to episode 4 of the Amazon FBA Mastery series. In the last episode, you learned how to research product ideas. Now we are going a step further: validation. This step protects your money and removes the guesswork. Before you order, sample, or talk to suppliers, you need a real numbers: demand, competition, and profitability. Step 1. Check demand. Ask yourself, are people actively buying the product? Here's how to verify demand. Search the product keyword on Amazon. Look at top 10 listings. Are they getting consistent sale and reviews? Are there variations or bundled versions? Tools like Helium 10 or Jungle Scout help, but you can also judge demand by bestsellers rank and review velocity. A good indicator: at least 3 to 5 sellers with 300 plus monthly sales. Step 2. Analyze competition. High demand means nothing if the market is saturated. Check this. Are the top sellers big brands? How many reviews do top listings have? Are their listings with fewer than 200 reviews? Are the images, titles, and descriptions weak? You are looking for gaps. If competitors are lazy with listing quality or packaging, that's your advantage. Step 3. Calculate profit. This is where most people get it wrong. Quick formula: profit is equal to selling price minus product cost minus Amazon fees minus shipping. You can use Amazon's FBA revenue calculator or do it manually. Ideal target: 30% profit margin or higher. Minimum $8 to $12 profit per unit after fees. If you are not hitting that, move to the next product idea. Step 4. Avoid legal risk. Before locking in a product, double check: no trademarks, no patents, no licensed brands or logos. You can search the USPTO database for trademarks or use Google Lens to check branded products. Amazon does not forgive IP violations, and neither do lawyers. Step 5. Future potential. A beginner mistake is choosing trendy products that die in 3 months. Instead, focus on categories that allow variations, bundles, upgrades, cross-selling opportunities. You are not chasing a one-time win, you are building a product line. Once you validate your product and confirm there's demand, profit, and room to compete, you are ready for the next step. In episode 5, I will show you exactly how to find suppliers, how to contact them, and what to ask before placing your first order. If this episode helped you to confirm your product direction, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next step. Thank you for watching.